guys, welcome back to another video by CollegeDekho. As a NIFT graduate, you must have learned all about designing, sewing, draping and pattern grading. But do you know what it actually takes to start your own label? It can be challenging to launch a clothing business from scratch, but this guide will help you to get started. So let's map the steps to start your own label after NIFT. Step 1. Analyze the market need. Consider a market niche that has not been well addressed yet. Decide on a product that must be available but isn't currently supplied by any established business yet. Step 2. Building a business plan and target audience. Defining the target consumer market for a clothing item is just as important as identifying the product itself. Analyze, conduct surveys, and plan your target group accordingly. Step 3. Finding a clothing manufacturer and release your first collection. You will require a manufacturing partner unless you intend to source, cut, sew, design and assemble your materials yourself. Ensure you are creating items you would be satisfied to use as your calling card moving forward, because your first collection will say a lot about you as a designer. Step 4. Set a brand name, logo and a profile for marketing. Integrating a memorable story into your website, logo and brand name will make your business take off quickly. Your goals, brand name, logo, website should be able to establish a connection with the audience. This must be done during the production process, since your products will be prepared for sale as soon as they are manufactured. Step 5. Set realistic goals for distribution and sales. After a soft launch, seek additional funding and partnership. Potential business partners and co-investors can be enlisted as soon as you have proof of concept clothing that you can sell in small numbers. Did this video help you to embark on a new venture? Then follow us for more such content. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.